Hello, this is James Kennedy, but my friends call me Jim. I'm a genius boy detective.
Do you know the underground construction site that leads into the sewers?
I know vaguely where that is, yeah.
Come.
Okay.
Come to the sewers.
Okay.
We will be charging somebody who has broken the Hobo Code.
Okay.
And you will act as the prosecution.
I'm not a lawyer, but okay.
You said you're a genius, you can figure it out.
Okay. See you soon. Hi, my name's James Kennedy, but my friends call me Jim. I'm a genius boy detective. I was summoned here.
Oh, I was also summoned here on this day. Who are you summoned by?
I didn't get their name, but apparently I'm prosecuting someone even though I'm not a lawyer. Hey, Andy.
For me. This is my lawyer.
Oh, hello, Andy. Yes, I'm Andy's representation.
Wait.
Marie Fischer.
Wait a second. I'm prosecuting Andy?
Yeah, I guess.
But Andy, you're my cousin.
He's right over there. The Hobo King's over there.
Andy, I need to talk to you real quick about something, by the way.
Yeah.
I'm not time traveling anymore.
Good. Stay away from time travel.
Someone told me that if I time travel, then my father's gonna become a good man again, and then he'll get shot for being a good man to set up my tragic
You'd never
backstory.
have been born in the first place.
Oh my god. See, I haven't done with all that.
Can't rewrite time.
I'm also.
He's trying to say I do something. He's trying to sue me for my snake.
Well, fuck that. I'm gonna
But
fail this
I already
case
went
so
to
hard.
court for
I'm
my
gonna
snake
fail
issues.
this. I'm gonna fail this case so hard,
We gotta
Andy.
fudge the numbers and throw his court in disarray.
Absolutely. I'm on your side. Anything they can say, I will use against them in a court of law.
We have a witness coming.
Okay.
It is Leo Escobaro.
Okay. I was just speaking to Andy. I should let you know he is my cousin.
This is unacceptable.
Okay. I mean, he did also betray me
pictures.
and you know, beat me down a mountain, so.
I have a picture of him with a snake.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, I've met a snake before.
Yes, not within a cage. I have heard numerous stories that this man's snake bites people.
Mm-hmm. His snake also helped him escape the mountain.
We will soon have... He's still possessing such a snake.
Yeah, it's real scary.
Come. I will show you your desk.
Okay. This is awesome.
This is the prosecution side. That is the defendant.
Okay.
You may take a seat.
That sounds like crashing. I'm just gonna make sure someone didn't hit my car.
What are you doing here?
I'm apparently here to testify against you.
Oh my
What
goodness.
the hell? I was
being
not
Leo,
aware of this witness.
against
all
snake-related
parties.
charges.
To the courtroom.
On my way.
Come here. We gotta discuss our case.
Where's the courtroom?
This is the courtroom.
Oh.
I am upon my throne. There is
Where
the
do
defendant and the
where do I
plaintiff's
sit?
benches. You sit with the prosecution as you are the witness, so the man in the scarf.
Hello.
Okay. You need to really get some chairs for the people who want to watch.
We got an audience.
Hobo Court. They sit, they stand.
Okay, yeah, I'll just sit back here then. Call me when you're ready.
As Hobo tradition states, each prosecutorial and defending parties both have 4 rolls of toilet paper to write notes and a stack of dirty magazines to peruse during the case. I do not further.
Ow!
Andy,
Andy.
you are in contempt.
Just forget it's ice jitsu. You can't. It's not illegal. You can't get me.
Objection, where's the weapon? I don't
I'm
see
a
one.
friggin' ninja.
I mean,
It is
strictly
currently
speaking,
stuck to Escobar's face.
No.
strictly speaking,
If there was a
objection.
weapon, it's melted, okay?
Objection, a Shinoba is a living weapon, so technically Andy is the weapon.
I don't know what that means.
It's
I
okay.
would like a definition of Shinoba for the court.
Shut up.
Yeah, that's pretty much the definition.
The charges are as follows: reckless endangerment via snake and reckless handling of said snake. We would like the pleas from the defendants before the case continues.
Wait, hold on, let me yell about it. My client is pleading not guilty on all
Not
counts.
guilty. For the record, that is noted down. Prosecution, you may begin your opening statement.
Okay, give me 1 second. What the fuck has happened to me?
They're prosecuting for snake. But Leo's.
Ladies and gentlemen, and gnomes, and inanimate objects, and snakes of the courtroom, and weird ram person of the courtroom. My name
That is
is...
the bailiff. His name is Jimothy. You will address him as such.
Hey, my name's Jim. Well, James, but my friends call me Jim. I am a genius boy detective. I'm not a man of law. I'm a man of justice. I'm a man of investigations, and I can confirm Andy has a snake. I've seen it with my own eyes. I'm seeing it right now. It's very scary. I'm very scared of snakes. It's probably my biggest fear, except for dying alone. Prosecution rests.
Okay.
Defense, you may begin your opening statement.
All right, everybody of the court. My name is Marie Fischer, and I specialized in habeas corpus law at Pretend Law School and Bar and Grill. Okay, all right. Those are my qualifications, and I will be seen for those. Thank you. And I think this snake issue is just a whole lot of hullabaloo. Okay, have you even seen the snake? I booped it twice. And it gave me a little smile. You're gonna tell me it's a crime to be in possession of snake? Look how happy that snake is. So boopable, so cute, so real. Andy is innocent. Thank you. I will rest now.
Okay. Prosecution, you may now begin to state the case to the court.
Okay. Andy is a man who sometimes does things that could be considered dangerous. He wants...
Objection, hearsay.
Okay. Andy is...
It's just sustained. We have no foundation of his character in this courtroom, therefore
I'm gonna call a
choosing
character
different
witness.
line.
I would like to call James Kennedy, Genius Boy Detective, to the stand.
Are you calling yourself to the stand as a character witness? I think there's a bias here in the prosecution.
Okay. I would like to call Leo Escobar to the stand as a character witness.
Objection, he's bald.
Bald is not against hobo law.
I'm actually not bald.
It's a wig.
Not a
Leo,
wig.
Climb over the fence and approach the bailiff.
Are you okay?
Yeah, of course I'm okay. Bailiff. Bailiff. See, hello, bailiff. Hello.
Okay,
Hello.
good. The bailiff has sworn you in by anointing you with the holy beer water.
Okay.
Everything you say must be the truth, or you shall face death by chainsaw.
Okay. What questions do you have for me?
Judge,
You may have
first
been
and
your question.
foremost, do I have permission to treat the witness as hostile?
What the hell?
Under what grounds?
I don't know. I just heard that in a law drama once.
What the hell?
Denied.
Okay. Leo Escobar, is that your real name, Leo?
Yeah.
No, it's Escobald.
Okay.
I'm being harassed by the defense.
Order in the court. The
I'm being
defense
harassed.
will not try to intimidate the witness.
Leo, have you ever met this man, Andy Fisher?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever done anything that could be considered dangerous with Andy Fisher?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What were you doing yesterday, near the Rockford police station with Andy Fisher and an unknown third party?
Nothing. Unless you mean Black Mesa PD.
Oh, I meant Black Mesa PD.
We were
Order
just.
in the court. Stop crunching so loudly over there.
What the hell? You can't have chocolate in this court. This court's bullshit.
Yeah, we were just. We were just boys being boys, doing a little race with our friends down at the BMPD.
Did anyone get hurt during that?
Yeah, everybody in the race.
And who would you say? Would you say that someone got ran over by a go-kart or a motorbike?
Yeah.
And who was driving that motorbike?
Me.
Okay. What about the police officer who got hit by the motorbike?
Me.
Okay. Would you consider Andy to be a good man?
Would I consider him to be a good man? No. He's blackmailing me.
The hell?
He's blackmailing you.
Yeah, and he's spreading false rumors. We go on Life Invaders right now.
Stop. This is meant to be
Objection!
a
You were already paid for the blackmailing.
This is meant to be
Oh,
a
he
character
was-
witness. There will be no
blackmail's
testimonials
over.
or
Oh, sorry.
evidence giving
Sorry.
during this section. You are merely to speak on Andy's character as a person.
Sorry. Yeah. He bad. Yeah, bad person.
Okay.
Bad person.
Would you consider his snake to be a bad person?
Objection! A snake is a reptile, not a person.
Okay.
Overruled.
What?
Prosecution. Continue with your statement.
No, I don't consider a snake to be bad. No.
Leo Escobar.
But ending, yeah.
Let me ask you another question. Do you consider
Okay.
snakes to be the spawns of Satan as outlined in the Bible?
Honestly, yeah.
Okay. Have you ever seen this snake endanger someone's life?
Have I? Yeah.
I realized that I was supposed to just be doing character witness stuff, and now I started just interrogating you. You know what?
Yeah.
Rule
Objection!
everything.
Throw this whole thing out.
Yeah, throw this whole thing out. I'm sorry.
The thing about the snake attacking people will be stricken from the record. You may bring that up later in witnesses, in witness testimony, not in the character witness section.
Okay. No
Leo,
further
you are
questions.
excused from the stand. You may go back into the bleachers.
Okay.
Oh, objection!
Hey,
I've been
hey,
assaulted by the
Sorry, I
character
was just-
witness.
I had to take over.
Escobar, I'm holding you in contempt.
God damn it!
You
Objection to the
must-
character
embarrassing.
witness.
God damn it.
He threatened to kill me not 10 minutes ago.
Overruled. You should have objected during the character witness.
Shit.
Loser!
Leo, for your contempt, you are now sentenced to do the remainder of this court case without your hat.
Oh my god. Fine.
Yeah, show off that good old bald shine.
Your Honor? She's badgering me, the witness.
You are not on the stand. You are not currently in the witness box.
Your Honor? She was just badgering me.
I have
We're
given my
not
ruling
talking
on
about
that.
badgers, we're talking about snakes. Get
Wow.
it together, Leo.
Now,
Ow!
that is a second order of contempt, Escobar.
God damn it!
Remove your glasses.
God damn it, I don't even know what that even means, but okay.
Now, defense. You may now try and make a case on how Andy does not recklessly endanger people with said snake.
All right, Your Honor, I would like to point to evidence 113 APC evidence number 2. Okay, I booped that snake, and it didn't bite me. How about that? Okay, how are you gonna explain that? Okay.
That is a good point in this court of law.
Objection.
What is your objection?
There's a man with a hammer, and I am scared.
In Hobo Court, you will put away that, or the bailiff here, wearing the goat mask, will beat you over the head with a
Wait,
bottle.
with me?
Objection, Your Honor. They're here to take out the
What the
trash.
hell?
Oh.
Objection, Your Honor. This is a hobo palace. It's kind of covered in trash.
Yes,
Your
thank
Honor,
you.
may
What
I
you
be
just said, Andy,
excused?
was
I think they're about to
highly
kidnap me or something.
Your Honor,
Have
I
fun.
need to have a chat with Leo. Is that okay?
This that your chat can be done after the case.
Do you need him here?
Yes.
Okay.
Your Honor, I'd like to call the man with the
You
sledgehammer
may
to the stand. He's got a
watch
cool
the
voice.
bleachers with your naked friends.
Do you know this man, Andy?
Now, what was that prosecution? What did you
I'd
say?
like to call this man with the
you so
hammer to the
grumpy
stand.
about?
He's got a cool voice.
What the hell are you so grumpy
Okay.
about?
Man with hammer, approach
Yeah,
the
what's
bench.
up? Yeah. What do you need?
Climb over the fence and talk to the bailiff. He will swear you in.
Bailiff, swear me in.
The bailiff is to your right. There we go. Okay,
Hey,
good. The
bailiff.
bailiff has anointed you with the holy bottle of beer.
Okay,
You must
okay.
now speak the truth. If you do
Right.
not, you will be sentenced to death via chainsaw.
Okay. Hi, my name's James Kennedy, but my friends call me Jim. I'm a genius boy detective. What's your name, sir?
Yeah. My name's Dino Carr.
Oh, that's such a cool name. Hey, Dean, my question is, how'd your voice get so cool?
The years of smoking.
Okay.
Didn't do anything to me, actually.
Getting into, I don't know,
You wanna touch my
a
boobs?
little bit of drugs here, alcoholism, a number of things.
Okay.
I have a boyfriend.
Do you know this man, Andy Fischer?
Yeah, I do.
Would you consider him to be a good man?
I would consider him to be a man. Yes.
Okay. Do you know Andy Snake?
Yeah, I know the one that he carries with him all the time.
Yeah. Would you consider the snake to be a good snake?
Yeah, I think so.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Wait for dinner.
Well, the thing is, like, you can't really define whether a snake is good or bad because by its base nature, it doesn't have the intelligence level to make conscious decisions. about
Objection.
whether things are good or bad.
Objection.
You can't object your own witness.
Okay.
So,
Objection. I'd like to object my objection.
Sustained.
Okay.
it really depends on how you define consciousness at a base level. Sort of coming to that understanding would really determine whether a snake can be good or bad. As a predator, they do have inherently a natural born instinct to kill, but it is as a sort of form to feed itself and to gain sustenance. So whether it's good or bad, really it depends on the perspective that you're taking.
The judge has a question for the witness.
Yeah, what's up?
Would you classify yourself as an expert on snakes?
I would classify myself as someone who's educated on snakes. I do like snakes. I think they're very cool animals.
Okay. You may now step down from the stand.
All right.
Defense.
Leo!
Given as there
Leo,
are now
we
more
gotta
people,
talk.
would you like to call anybody else to the stand?
Yeah, give me a second. You mind if I call someone in real quick? Is that okay?
May we know who is being called in?
I'd like to call in Mickey Meadows.
Does the prosecution have any objection to this?
I don't know who that is.
Great.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right.
I swear to God, if he's dead or in prison already, I'm gonna lose my mind.
Is the defense having a seizure?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Objection.
Objection to this whole freaking thing. Why can't Andy just have his Britney Spears moment and everyone just accept it, okay? Just get over it.
This court is not finding him in trouble for having a snake.
Okay.
We are bringing him to court for the reckless endangerment of people due to this snake. I have heard many stories of his snake attacking people at random.
Okay, well, if we're gonna... Oh, yeah. See?
Andy,
And
can you
also,
speak up,
if you're
please?
gonna-
He is speaking quite quietly. Can you reiterate his point?
Yeah, I'm running the case, so he's speaking through me as his attorney, and the snake attacked only because it was out of self-defense.
So, the strategy of the defense is snake defense.
Yeah.
It's a very good defense.
It did not attack me. It does not attack Andy. It has only attacked the people who have attacked the snake first.
Objection.
What is your objection?
It once did strangle me in a car while I was just sat next to it, minding my own business.
I think you reached for that snake aggressively and you tried to kill it.
I was trying to stay as far away from it as possible because I'm scared of snakes.
I will sustain that objection, and it will be entered into evidence.
Okay.
Now, after some character witnesses on Andy and the snake itself, we will now move on to the evidence portion of the court case. Does anybody have, or on either side, any evidence or any witnesses that can bring said evidence to the court?
Well, I, for one, have already brought forth into evidence the fact that I only met the snake mere minutes ago. And in both instances of boopage upon the nose, it did not bite me.
Your Honor,
In fact, it even smiled.
Your Honor, I would like to enter into evidence the events at the Mountain of Chilean Dads a couple of days ago.
Explain this to the court. What is this?
Andy participated in a fellowship, and the snake was there, and the events that happened there will reveal much about the snake's character and Andy's duty of care.
Objection, the snake pulled Andy to safety.
That's what I was gonna say. That's what I was gonna say.
Oh, okay.
Morag, I'm sorry. But you figure it out, right?
The snake cares for Andy as if Andy were his father, his papa. Andy. I'm not repeating that.
Objection. Objection.
What is
What?
your objection?
This lawyer is not repeating what Andy said.
Okay, I'm about to repeat it. Give me a second. God,
You
so
said you would.
pushy.
You said you weren't gonna
I
say
have a
it.
question. Andy, do you still have faith within your lawyer, or would you like to self-represent?
I trust
the
my
hell?
lawyer. I trust my lawyer in this case.
Good, good, good. There was a troubling thing that the prosecution said, and I wanted to get to the bottom of it.
Okay.
Morag? You look so voluptuous. I'm not. I'm not. 7.8. What? Yeah, go ahead. Sorry
There are
about that.
plenty of seats over by the snack table. Now, as we are in the evidence portion of this court case, does anybody have any witnesses? Would anybody like to recall a previous character witness to the stand? One, Leo Escobar, and two, Sledgehammer Guy.
Objection. Leo Escobar seems to have fled the court. I think we
He's
should
over there.
now turn the.
He's over
Leo
there.
Escobar is directly to my left. On
I
the
see him. He's hiding over there.
What the fuck?
Hey, I'm gonna check on your court real quick.
That's bullshit, Morag. You should dump his ass.
Who the hell?
Oh, thank God. Okay. All right. Court, everyone, I'd like to call Mickey Meadows to the stand, please, on behalf
Mickey Meadows,
of
cross
Andy.
the fence and talk to the mannequin bailiff.
Thank you so much. Hello, mannequin bailiff.
Good, you must tell the truth or you'll be sentenced to death via chainsaw. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good. Defense your witness.
All right. Mickey, how do you know Andy?
I first met Andy on the street by the mall, but like the side street where there's like some ATMs and stuff, and it kind of goes down toward the news place. I think he was coming up from the news place up that street, and I met him on the street, and I think we liked each other's vibes, and we talked to each other a little bit, and I think we exchanged numbers.
Objection.
What is your objection?
How do you know that you met Andy when you're blind?
I
What?
am not blind.
Then why are you wearing the same glasses I wore when I was blind?
These are my cool 80s glasses that include red and black like the rest of my outfit, and I can see through them because I'm not blind.
Okay.
Objection overruled.
Perfect. Perfect. Now, Mr. Meadows, you said that you really liked each other's vibes. Have you ever, in your own words, been around someone that's been around Andy that disliked his vibes?
Have I ever been around someone that disliked Andy's vibes? I've been around people who are around Andy who are trying to possibly stab him.
Hmm. Now, would you consider a snake a form of self-defense to those people who want to stab Andy?
Would I consider a snake self-defense? Yes, of course. If you have a snake and someone's trying to hurt you or attack you, absolutely, 100%. Your snake is your self-defense mechanism for sure.
Objection.
What is your objection?
A snake can't be self-defense because it's not a weapon. It's defending its like friend slash owner slash parent. It's not self-defense. It's defense of another.
The prosecution has a good point. Sustained.
Okay.
Oh.
Now, Mr. Meadows, would you consider any one of Andy's friends willing to take up arms in his defense?
Oh, yes. Yeah, because as I understand it, I mean, if we're talking about actual law where they, you can defend your friend as well for self-defense. Yes, of course, a lot of people would stand up for Andy. I would in certain circumstances, I'm sure, if he was being threatened.
Would you consider Andy's snake his friend?
Yes.
Objection.
What is your objection?
Answered. Andy already established the snake as his friend.
Well, I'm just trying to prove that there's the defense of your friends here, and that Andy's done no wrong.
Second objection.
Yes.
After my grandfather got shot once, I went and punched the guy who shot him, and I got done for assault. And self-defense didn't line up. Like they didn't accept that as a defense.
Well, that's because you went in. That was not in the same situation.
No, the
It
man
has to
still
be
had the
within
gun. The
same
man still had the gun
situation.
out.
No. Shut up.
Okay.
Okay.
This entire conversation, I listened to the entire thing.
All right, continue questioning. I will overrule both of those objections.
Perfect. Hold on. Let me talk to him.
So we're considering 30 more, right?
I got more than that.
Meadows, what is your high score on Perry Flap?
I've never played it. I've never loaded it once. Not one time.
Objection. That's a load of horseshit. You probably at least misclicked on it once with your thumb.
Never.
This man's got the most agile thumbs I've ever seen.
I would like to order the witness to take out his phone and show us all his Perry Flap app.
Oh, hold on. I'm getting a call.
Prosecution, take a look at that.
We've got to save Andy. We've got to save him.
This is our court. I thought you guys were gonna take
his snake is.
What was the results? Has he ever played?
It's
Perry
never been
Flap?
opened. In fact, there's 10 updates that need to be downloaded before we can even play it.
Good. Defense? Do you have any more?
I don't have any more questions. Although the prosecution didn't give me the same, courtesy. I'll let him cross-examine should he wish.
Okay. Hi. My name's James Kennedy, but my friends call me Jim. I'm a genius boy detective.
Oh, it's you. Hi.
Hi. How you doing
Mickey
today?
Meadows. Hello. I'm fine. Thank you so much.
Okay. No further questions. It's nice to ask people how they're doing, It's nice to check in once in a while. It's polite.
Yeah, sure. One more question for the witness. How would you describe Andy?
I would describe Andy as bold.
No, that's Leo.
Pardon?
That's Leo. Objection, Leo's bald, not Andy.
No, bold.
No,
with
not
an
bald.
O.
Bold, yeah.
No, we're not talking about how Leo is bald.
Why are you talking about how I'm bald?
I'm not talking about Leo's baldness. I'm talking about.
Are you talking about my boyfriend?
Andy.
He's bald.
Yeah,
the
I'm
only
talking
bald
about-
person here.
No, Leo's certifiably bald. Have you seen Life Invader?
Yeah, he is bald now.
True. It isn't true.
You can't
does
post
not
anything on Life Invader that
If
isn't
Leo
true.
Escobar would like to bring a defamation suit to the court after this case, the court may
I
still
gotta
be
go.
open.
All right, I'm out here.
Wonderful. So I think that Andy
You're gonna
is
leave me?
bold,
I gotta go. I got stuff to do.
adventurous,
I mean, he did rate you 1 out of 10.
insightful,
I'll remember that.
Bye-bye.
and determined to be the best person he can at all times, is my experience.
All right.
Is there any
fans
final
rest.
remarks from the prosecution?
No, I'm okay.
Witness, you may step down from the witness
Thank you
box.
so much, Your Honor.
Are there any other witnesses to be brought?
We should probably,
Depends on the timing.
like, you know, actually talk to Leo beyond the character witness, I guess. And then, whoever this person is.
Oh, hi, I'm one of Andy's friends. I'm also one of his caretakers.
Okay?
Hmm.
I'll call this
I
person to
think
the stand.
Leo has fled the court case. I'd like to hold him in contempt forever and ever, and he can only
Oh,
be
he's back.
bald.
He's back.
Shit.
Leo, you are being called to the stand.
I'd like to point out the fact that his 2 points of contention have been reversed. He is wearing a hat and his glasses again.
Leo, take off your glass. Take off your glass and hat. Just immediately.
I wasn't wearing nothing. Proof? Proof?
My eyeballs and my side.
Proof? Hearsay.
The judge has slightly poor vision. I will need photographic evidence.
Shit.
Okay. What do you guys need me for?
The prosecution has called you now as a witness to give evidence instead of character.
Okay.
Hi, my name's James Kennedy, but my friends call me Jim. I'm a genius boy detective.
Hey, Jim.
Let me ask you this, Leo. You ever seen Andy Snake hurt anyone?
No.
Have you ever seen Andy Snake bite someone's eyeball specifically?
No.
Have you ever seen Andy hurt anyone?
Have I seen Andy hurt somebody? Yeah.
Was he justified in his actions, in your opinion?
No.
Objection and opinion is hearsay.
It's sustained. That is correct.
Okay, let me rephrase.
So I would like to bring attention that during the character witness, when you were not supposed to be giving testimonial evidence, you openly said that the snake was dangerous, Leo Escobar. And now
Objection.
Okay, but you struck
Objection.
that from the record.
That was
You
struck from the
that
record.
that
It's your own fault, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
That's your
I'd
own
like to
fault.
welcome to the court my co-counsel, Dang McNabb.
It is a bit late within the case, but I suppose I will allow it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Prosecution, continue your question.
Mr. Escobar, have you...
Yeah?
Would you consider Andy Snake to be dangerous?
Honestly? Yes. Yes.
Would you consider the snake to be a good boy or good girl or good NB?
Yes. Yes. Yep.
So
good.
dangerous but good. A bit like
Yep.
Andy, you might say. Dangerous but good.
What is it like ending? No, not at all. Not at all.
So what you're saying then, Mr. Escobar, is that the snake's not
Ending
at
is a
fault
person,
here.
not a snake.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
And so Andy's the one that should be being put on trial here, not the snake.
Honestly? Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I would like to clarify for the court, Andy is the one on trial, that he is being charged with reckless endangerment via the possession of a snake.
Okay?
Oh.
Let me ask you another question, Mr.
Okay.
Escobar.
Yeah, ask me anything.
Andy is what would be called a shinoba. He's a living weapon. Would you consider that to be, in and of itself, reckless endangerment, just being what you are?
Yes. Yes.
And the snake is just being what it is, correct?
Yes.
Objection, these are all opinions.
Objection, even if you're going to uphold that, that can only be, like, applied to the most recent one, because, like, you didn't say it every single time I've been asking these questions.
prosecution has a point.
Okay, well, some of us have attention deficit issues, okay?
Okay.
The court will take that into record and will look slightly more favorable on the defense because of said things.
Your
you
Honor,
so much.
some of us are genius boy detectives, not lawyers.
Yeah, what he said.
You openly market yourself as a genius, and as a person with a genius level intellect, you should be able to handle Hobo Court.
Okay. No further questions.
Get owned.
No.
Defense?
I'm a free man.
No, Escobar, stay on the stand. Escobar, stay on the stand.
Okay.
Defense, do you have a rebuttal? Do you have any other questions from the witness?
Yeah, I got a rebuttal. Yeah, I got a rebuttal. I ain't
Yeah?
gonna take this slander lightly.
Okay.
Bye, Andy. Love you. No,
I
no,
won't
I will
let you
not.
slander me and my snake.
So,
Good outcome.
Is
Closing-
that a win for us,
closing
or-
statements
Where the
then?
hell did he go?
Yeah,
I
time
think
for
we
closing
win.
statements.
Oh, man.
No, it's
Closing
time for
statements,
closing
Your Honor?
statements, yeah.
And you
Where'd
can
he
take the
go?
closing statements on this one. I've talked so much in this
Yeah.
Okay.
case.
I'll do the closing statement from my side if that's all right.
Okay.
Yes, I suppose. We will
Who's going
do the
first?
statement says, my house is being burned.
Hey, it's all right. I know how to put out a
It'll go
fire.
out
I know how to
eventually.
put out a fire.
Yeah, me too. Here, I'll do it. I got. Oh, see, I did it.
Oh,
What the
new fire.
hell?
That's the way you
Fight,
put out
you fight
fire.
fire with more fire.
Ladies and gentlemen of Hobo Court, jury, people of Los Santos, today we have heard a lot of statements, a lot of opinions, a lot of thoughts, and quite frankly,
So sorry.
Objection.
objection, ow.
A member
You
of
ran
the
into
defense
my
has just
fist.
been
God
assaulted.
damn it.
Anyways, back to my closing statements.
Leo assaulted me ×2, okay? And
That's
what was
true.
done about that, all right? Okay, he had to take off his hat and his glasses.
Okay.
So I will take off my shoes.
Okay.
Okay.
Assault
Hey.
times 3.
I'm doing
gonna kill-
closing
I'm
statements.
gonna kill him.
now.
I'm gonna kill him.
Sorry,
I'm
sorry.
gonna kill him. I need to eat a taco.
I have one job and my antlers keep falling off. I keep molting. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the people of Los Santos, today you've heard a lot of statements coming from a lot of people saying a lot of things. And the fact of the matter is that is it not cruel to animals to hold them to a standard of the worst animal of all kind, which is man? And have we not in this day and age learned that perhaps maybe the real snakes are the ones that are in control of the government and around you and telling you what to do and what shoes to wear all the time? My client, who is not here right now, and I don't know where he went,
He fled.
is a good man who is bound by the laws of nature and the laws of law. The laws of law. The laws are everywhere. They're up there,
Affirmative.
they're down there, they're in the body, coming out, screaming.
Are you?
And I'm so sorry. And frankly, I urge you to judge not with your mind, but with your
Yeah,
heart.
you know where that hole is in the side of the highway?
Thank you. That's my closing statements.
Okay.
All right, bring forth yours.
Prosecution, your closing statement.
People of the court today, we've heard a lot of things be thrown around about snakes and people and whether Leo Escobar is bald. A lot of hearsay, and the defense, frankly, has tried to delay the proceedings with a series of filibuster arguments.
Objection, Your Honor. I haven't been here for very long,
You
so
can't
I don't know if
object to a
that's
closing
true.
I don't think you can object during a
object.
closing statement,
That is
and
very
also
true. That is very true. You cannot do that.
not valid anyways.
He's
Your
being
lack of
mean to
knowledge.
me.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's what closing statements for.
Bullying in this courtroom?
That's what it's for.
So, anyways, so the defense
Nobody.
have been doing that, and here's the thing. In a case like this, I believe that it is the requirement of the prosecution to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that it's reckless endangerment, and I believe that the prosecution haven't done that. No further questions.
There's no questions.
You weren't
It's a
asking
closing statement.
questions. Objection. I think this.
You can't
guy's
object
not
during a
really
closing
Objection.
statement.
I don't think he's a lawyer at all.
I'm not a lawyer. I've never said I'm a lawyer. I'm a genius boy
But you
detective.
said you were
He's a liar.
genius, and you're not saying things that are super smart. Okay.
Objection. Wait, you can't object during closing. Objection. You can't object during objection and closing statements.
I object your objection, you objector. Okay, stop. Quit it.
Hey,
Knock it off.
hey. Let's just calm down.
Whoa.
You need to calm down.
Whoa, you
You're
just
being
told us
too
to
loud.
Calm down.
Okay.
Y'all
We'll-
need to
we'll
take
just
a
trying
big
our
ol'
best
sip of
here.
Calm down juice.
Sometimes, listen. I'm gonna add to my closing statement. Sometimes people make mistakes. We all do it. We're all human, or reptiles, or aliens, or reindeers, or mannequin people. And when we make mistakes, I believe that we deserve a second chance. But here's the thing: we make another mistake, and when that happens, I think we deserve a second chance. And then when we make another mistake, we deserve a second chance, and it goes on. Your Honor.
Perfect. So Andy's
Objection.
clear.
He just basically did our closing statement, but better and for us.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Andy's good, right?
Andy's good, right?
The court has reached a decision.
Okay.
In the name of Underground Civilization of Hobos v. Andy, the court finds Andrew Fischer
Okay.
Gunshots. But all right, Denny.
The court finds Andrew Fischer innocent on all charges. But
Uh-oh. But
he is ordered to go to one pet management lesson at the community hall
That's fair.
in
That's
the
fair.
south side.
who's the
That's
who's
fair,
the
that's
instructor? It's very important.
One looks at phone to find name. Gary Smaud.
Oh.
That's harsh, but fair.
That's harsh.
All right, let me
but-
know. We'll let the client
Objection.
know.
Objection.
least it wasn't Gary.
You can't
Busey.
object
There is no
a ruling.
objections.
But Gary has a
No.
nuclear missile, so he's
I
not
have
exactly a
good
safe
news.
person.
Court is now out of
Court
session.
case.
Hey, you did such a great job considering you came
As
in
a
late.
reference to get out
I
of
know,
here,
I
there
have
is
no
a
idea
ramp
what
to
the
get
fuck was
vehicles
going
out
on.
at the bank.
Hey.
Thank you
That was
so
my.
much.
Oh, I'm being phoned. Okay, bye. Hello, this is James Kennedy, but my friends call me Jim. I'm a genius boy detective.
Yeah, could you help me get in my car, Jim?
Okay,
Okay. I'll send you a pingus.
okay. See you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.